The UK's replacement for the Erasmus programme has just launched. The Turing Scheme launches as the replacement to EU's Erasmus student exchange programme, following Brexit. After Brexit, the UK lost access to the Erasmus programme when it left the EU. With the programme open to experiences worldwide, students can experience exchange programmes not just in Europe, but around the world. With Northern Ireland getting the best of both Erasmus and Turing schemes, the UK is hoping to put to bed the argument that Brexit harmed students' work and study experience programmes. It did so by launching the Turing Scheme as the UK's global programme to study and work abroad. In this video, we discuss the opening of the Turing Scheme and how to get on it, as well as what you can expect. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. The British government has officially launched its new Turing Scheme to replace the EU's Erasmus student exchange programme. The United Kingdom's Department for Education has announced the next phase of the International Student Exchange Programme by launching a website which outlines its funding rates and eligibility criteria ahead of a 6-week bidding process in March. The British government has created its own £110 million scheme, named after the mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing, unveiled in December as the replacement to the UK's participation in Erasmus and following Brexit. The Department for Education has said it will provide funding for around 35,000 students, and unlike Erasmus, students will be able to go on placements all over the world and not just in Europe. Michelle Donelan, the university's minister, said the scheme would open up the globe to our young people. We are committed to making sure our students, particularly those from disadvantaged backgrounds, can benefit from studying and working abroad, she said. A new website has gone live, with funding and eligibility details. Check our blog post for the link. Under the scheme, UK universities, colleges and schools will be able to apply for funding for projects which give their students the opportunity to study or work abroad. Overseas placements and exchanges under the Turing Scheme are due to begin in September 2021. Students taking part will meanwhile receive grants to help with the cost of living abroad. Bids for funding will open in March. The decision to pull out of Erasmus caused dismay, and last week the Scottish and Welsh government published a joint statement saying they wish to explore continuing in the programme. Students at universities in Northern Ireland can continue to participate with Erasmus programme under an arrangement agreed with the Irish government. However, Professor Dame Janet Beer, the Vice-Chancellor of the University of Liverpool, stated there were shortcomings with Erasmus and that the Turing Scheme offered a more flexible approach to placements. Unlike Erasmus, students will not be tied to an exchange lasting a full academic year or semester, which she said would give opportunities to many more students. The scheme could help UK universities build new relationships with institutions in countries such as Japan. Northern Ireland students will be able to access both the Erasmus and Turing schemes. That is because the Irish government has said it will enable students in Northern Ireland to continue to participate in Erasmus. Irish University's Minister Simon Harris is expected to outline how that will happen in the coming months. Students from Northern Ireland will need to temporarily register with Irish higher education institutions to participate. One of the big changes in the Turing Scheme is that there will not be funding to pay for international students coming to do placements in the UK. The new scheme, with a budget of £110 million, would provide funding for 35,000 outgoing students, but not incoming students, and therefore be cheaper to the UK taxpayer. A new international education strategy, published by the government, says UK universities will build reciprocal relationships on a truly global basis with incoming students' costs covered by their own governments or institutions. The strategy also reveals a list of priority countries, which the government is targeting, to increase the number of fee-paying international students applying to study at UK universities. The countries are India, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, and Nigeria. Currently, the UK is second only to the United States of America as the most desired destination for international students to study. What are your thoughts on this new educational strategy? Do you think this program is advantageous to the UK's education system? Or will this program turn off international students from studying in the UK? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel.